Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we're going to talk about HTML quotations. In HTML, we have 6 ways of quoting a text. One is by using the single quote, alright? Using a single quote by using the kill tag, and the second one is the abbreviation tag, as we have already tackled in our previous lessons. The third one is the block quote, and we have the site for work, okay, for work title, and abbreviated tag, okay. So let's get started without wasting much time. I hope we've already tackled some of them in our previous lessons. So here we're gonna talk about the kill tag first, okay. So for example, if you want to quote, right, automatically by default the browser add quote to our text. All these text, let me scroll. Yeah, the HTML quotation, this text automatically or by default the browser adds quotation mark, okay. So if you want to declare it, just use the kill tag, okay. Then let's say this is a quotation, right? Then you close our kill tag, save it, and view it in your browser. As you can see, guys, there's the quotation, okay. You see a small quotation marks on it. Let us try to change the font size, okay, or increase the font size so that you can see. Font size, sorry, the style tag, the style attribute first. Font size, right? Font size set to 30 pixels, right? I hope you can see, guys. So this is the quotation marks, right? Okay, and the next thing I'm going to talk about is the block quotes. The block quote element, block quote. He said to us. Then you close our block quotes. Now we've changed nothing, right? We've changed nothing. This is a block quote, blocking quote, right? Let's change our background color to gray. Now as you can see, guys, change nothing, and I'll go through the site again and abbreviated tags again. And here I'll pause the video a little bit so that I would type the codes. Alright, guys, as you can see, this is a block code, okay. Alright, code from my website. Now as you can see, guys, so this is the block code, right? If you do this, change nothing, same will appear. Okay, and the next thing we're gonna talk about is the site for title, okay, work title. So let's show an example. Site, this is doctor site is a pulse. Again, we have the abbreviated tags, that's ABBR. We have done it already, so I will not waste much time here. Prof, ABBR plus tags As you can see, Dr. Ball. So because of the site, okay, right, and there's the abbreviated tags, right? The next thing we're going to talk about is the address tag. So address tag, when you're writing an address of someone or maybe yourself, use the address tags, okay? And the next thing we're going to talk about is the bidirectional override. For this, I've been talked about it before, so I would like to explain further. Right, so this is the address, okay? Here's the address. So with the bidirectional override, basically how it works, it change the direction of every text, okay? You can change it from left to right, right side to left, not as this, not moving from this side to this side or from this side to other side, but the text will change, okay? For example, this, the T will change to S, followed by I, followed by H, and the T will be the last for S, right? So let's try to do an example. All right, so open our editor and type the tag name video bidirectional override. So let's say this is Daniel, DDO, close, save, refresh. Now as you guys can see, so we didn't set a direction, okay? So let's set a direction for it. Video VIR, right to left. As you guys can see, let me change the font size a little bit. Font size 30 pixels. As you can see, the positions of this text has been changed, right? So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch for the next episode for better understanding. The next episode is going to be about HTML comments, and it will be very supersonic. Thanks for watching this video.